All right, guys, this is going to be another test on having a video lecture. And I'm going to do a couple of things here. First thing I want to do is actually write on the slide. And then I'm going to see if I can actually color in the Byzantine Empire. Yep, there we go. And we'll move on to the next slide. This is slide 2, and this is Hagia Sophia. But now I'm going to change colors and actually write my name up here. See if you can see that. And then finally on slide 3, I want to say that this is Jesus. This is actually from Hagia Sophia. It's a church in Istanbul. This is a mosaic made out of literally tens of thousands of tiny little tiles. And I'll write my name up here. What I need to know from you guys is if you not only heard, but also saw the annotations that I put on the slides. Then I'm going to have an extra slide here at the end. And on this extra slide, I'm just going to say, hi guys, miss you. Coach Flo. All right, hopefully you guys will be able to see all of that.